Electoral and Boundaries Commission has lodged an appeal at the Supreme Court saying that it is dissatisfied with the Court of Appeal judgment that nullified the Constitution of Kenya Amendment Bill 2020, that is BBI. The Commission says that parts of the appellate court's finding that it intends to appeal include the constitutional composition, quorum, and the mandate of the Iebc.
Many thought that the ruling at the Court of Appeal was death and burial of the BBI bill, but those are not thoughts anymore. In what have been seen as hope for the controversial bill, Iebc vowed to move to the Supreme Court to challenge the ruling that termed BBI null and void. The Commission says that parts of the appellate court's finding that it intends to appeal include the Court of Appeal finding on constitutional composition, quorum and mandate of Iebc, as it claims dissatisfaction on the ruling by the Court of Appeal in regards to these findings. This comes barely a week after the BBI Secretariat led by Junet Mohammed and Dennis Waweru vote to challenge the ruling of the Court of Appeal at the Supreme Court.
I'll be supporting the appeal of the Attorney General at the Supreme Court on BBI. We believe that the Supreme Court has a wider and more encompassing mandate when dealing with the matters of great national interest.
The Secretariat claimed that the High Court and Court of Appeal was not trying to put off BBI, as there were changes in the bill that are important and mandatory to be implemented before the 2022 general elections. The duo claimed that there is a possibility of national crisis if the court ruling are overlooked, including the implementation of dual gender role.
It is impossible to constitute a new parliament without the solution to the gender equation. This needs urgent attention, and the solution of BBI is the only viable solution in our view. We need the highest court in the land to pronounce itself on this matter.
Iebc now joins the Attorney General office, which had intimated that it will file an appeal on Supreme Court, arguing that the popular initiative route can still be initiated by President Uhuru Kenyatta. Debates has been raging on whether or not to amend the 2010 Constitution of Kenya. The Constitution, which is just over 10 years old, faces serious scrutiny. Despite some efforts to amend the Constitution, they have so far failed. This decision by Iebc, BBI promoters, and Attorney General means that the country will be treated to another legal showdown. George Mapesa, KUTV.
And still on politics, ODM chief leader Raila Odinga, alongside other party leaders, have today received Jubilee Party rebel members